Hello, my name is Gareth Holbrook, and I am delighted to be speaking at Agile on the Beach 2026 in Topor. I have a workshop where I'm going to tell a story of my journey as an Ironman triathlete, and it's fitting it's in Topor because I've raced there 10 times. It's a sport I love and I've raced for 20 years. And what I'm going to share with the audience is how I use will and intent, persistence, deliberate practice, and reflection. How I use these ideas to become a better triathlete. It works for me as an athlete, but it also works in life. It can work in your profession and it can work with teams. The title is Ishi, the Iron Mindset. It's aligned with my new book, Ishi, the Discipline of Determined Intent. Ishi is Japanese for determined intent, but it's will. It's more than just will. It's a focus of what's viscerally important to you, what's in your heart, in your kokoro. From Ishi, we also have the determination to act. And I want to share with you some neuroscience, some psychology that I've been reading about, and how I think the application of this Japanese philosophy can be applied to everything that we do. The way we perform deliberate practice, the way we persist in the face of adversity and distraction, and the way we can effectively reflect back and create a loop, a virtuous loop of decide, forge, persist, and reflect. I hope this inspires you, energizes you, gives you some evolutionary ideas to change the way you work and the way you live, and finally to have an effect, to have an impact in the way you live your life. Join me on the first day for Ishi, the Iron Mindset. My name is Gareth Holbrook.